Hi flowers, so today's video will be a rainy yoga routine. This video will be a little bit voiced, but the other parts will be not voiced. Okay, this will be my yoga clothes. Okay, let's just put them on. My shirt and my pants. Okay, let's now start the yoga. Okay, let's now drink some water because I'm so thirsty. Okay, let's grab some water. This water looks so delicious. Yum. Okay, let's go back to my yoga. Okay guys, it has been 2 hours. I'm gonna go back to the house because it's been forever. Last but not least, my clothes. Let's just put them over my bag and let's go to the car and go to my house and cook dinner for Leah and my husband. Okay. The car is so far. I hate it when I go here and the car is so far. Bye, my lovely flowers.